traders, this is Rick with your futures trading coach after market update for the live trading alert call room. Today's Tuesday, September 10th. Another day, another dollar. I'm going to go through what we did today. We had killer day today. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades. All of them were, well, one of them was a small winner or break even in the ES. Went about just under 2 points. And if somebody went for a break even, they would have been able to easily get that. If they moved to entry, they would have been able to lock in some profits on what they took, about a point. That was here. And we were just ending up at the end of the day, and I told everybody we were going to wait for a better trade. If this one didn't work, we got into a free trade, long, went about 2 points, and then, like I said, if you went to entry, you made profits off your point and a half, whatever you took. If you went minus 3 or 4 ticks, then you had a break even. And that was the ES. We had a killer trade in crude. We had an understanding trade short. I'm just going off the track a little bit here, but crude, we had a short 93 understanding trade. Told everybody that it could easily get down into the mid 60s, 70s, and then when it got lower, we had lower targets into the 30s, mid to high 30s, which it hit. Just a great trade. Trade went over 60, 50, 60 pennies, straight down. There on the NQ, we had multiple trades. We had first we had an exhaustion trade, and the NQ, and that was at 72. The trade made over 20 ticks. Here, right there. Right there. Told everybody if it came down lower, we'd hit it again. We did hit it lower on a playground trade. 54. The trade went from 54, well over 60 ticks, straight up. Boom. 60 ticks straight up. Then when it got up here, we didn't do anything here because it was 10 o'clock. When we got up here, we took a ZL short. That was at 82.50-ish, 82.50. That trade made over 30 ticks. And actually, we talked about this trade. I was screaming the whole time that it was coming lower, but I said that they might want to test up higher between 87 and 90. We had levels, 82, 87, 90. And look what they did. I was talking about these levels before, 82, 87, 90 right here. The only reason why we didn't short there was because we didn't this was news. China announced there was a ZL there, but it was news, so we just avoided that, let it settle down and see what they were going to do. But this trade made nice there, even though everybody, obviously is not going to be able to hold it all the way to the bottom because it just chopped around there. But in the initial push, went over 30. Then we had a power play. I told everybody we're staying late after this news announced. I said there's going to be another move up. I was going to get into this a little bit lower, but we decided to opt and wait for a little more confirmation because of what was going on the chart. We did get long, and it was a beautiful trade, beautiful trade. We got long at 91. The thing's still going. Closed the room, and the trade went, again, well over 60 ticks, and again, still going. It went almost 80 now. But I told everybody what to do, who was still in. Most people are going to be out by that point. But you see it never came back to our entry, and just a beaut. It's still going. Probably likely going to go all the way up until the S&P gets, till it either gets positive or at least till the S&P goes flat. But lunchtime now, so we're all done. So just another great day. We're going to come back tomorrow. Check out our free trial, www.futurestradingcoach.com. And we'll see everybody back mañana.